I am Nigel Moore. I am president of the Friends of Ulster Spring Hospital, an organization which is trying to help do a health service and assist persons in the communities of Upper Trelawney. Last year at our health fair in association with JAHJAH Foundation, a young man, Rushane Patrick, came to see the doctors, and he was identified with a tumor going on his spinal area. We have been trying to get assistance since then from institutions in the state, children's hospitals in the state, and so far we have been unsuccessful. And if there's anybody who can assist us with getting help for him, we'd be grateful. His mother is here with us, and so far all we have been doing, we have been in full contact with her, and I think she can bring you up to date more as to where we are right now.
I'm Careen Patrick, Rushane Patrick's mom. Since 2014, he is suffering with this mass in his back. I've been to doctors and nothing has come up for him. What I want to say, I'm asking the kind people out there, please to help Rushane because he is suffering. He really, really needs help. And I'm asking, please, if anyone out there who is interested to help Rushane, please contact me at 1876 475 3635. Thank you.